discover the ultimate list of 15 game-changing woodworking tools on Amazon that every DIY enthusiast and professional woodworker needs. These tools are designed to boost precision, save time, and make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're building furniture or fine-tuning details, these must-have gadgets will revolutionize your workshop and take your skills to the next level. Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensors. ProSensor M50 is one of the fastest, easiest, and most accurate stud finders available. Unlike others, it requires no calibration. Just press the button, place it on the wall, and instantly see stud locations. Its 5 sensors, compared to the usual 1 or 2, deliver unmatched accuracy, while the wide LED display clearly shows stud edges and centers. The ProSensor M50 continuously tracks studs as you move it, making projects effortless. It can even detect live wires, adding extra safety. Ideal for hanging pictures, shelves, cabinets, or TVs, this stud finder ensures precision and reliability every time. Arrow's PT50 Staple Gun. The Arrow PT50 pneumatic staple gun is designed for power, speed, and efficiency, making it ideal for extended projects. Compatible with genuine Arrow T50 staples, it offers versatility by accepting sizes from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch. Its easy load magazine ensures quick reloading, while the comfortable overmolded grip reduces hand fatigue during long tasks. Powered by air compressors up to 120 pounds per square inch. The PT50 delivers consistent maximum power with every shot. Featuring a durable exhaust cover and lightweight design, it's perfect for heavy-duty upholstery, insulation, home repairs, and more, providing professional-grade performance in a user-friendly tool. Precision Rulers Set. The Precision Rulers Set is built to elevate your woodworking accuracy and efficiency. Featuring a wider 2-inch sliding attachment, it ensures steady, flawless lines on any surface. The dual-purpose setup block with ruler markings allows quick adjustments for table saws, drill presses, or router tables. Its benchmark tools feature a curved notch for true 5-inch measurements, while the included quality metal pencil delivers precise markings every time. With hassle-free locking holes, you can draw multiple lines without readjustments. Designed for convenience, the rulers include hanging holes for tidy storage, keeping your tools organized and ready for any project. Track Saw Clamp. The Track Saw Clamp, priced at $25.64, is designed for fast, secure, and reliable clamping. Featuring a quick-release ratcheting mechanism that speeds up workflow for professionals and hobbyists alike. Built with universal compatibility, it works seamlessly with Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Wen, and most MFT table systems, fitting a wide range of T-track grooves. Soft, non-marring pads protect surfaces from scratches and dents, making it perfect for woodworking projects that require clean finishes. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, it delivers up to 500 pounds of holding power. Versatile enough for F-clamp setups, T-tracks, and guide rails, it ensures precision and durability. Kreg Circular Saw Guide SS. The Kreg Circular Saw Guide. AccuCut SS makes straight, accurate, and splinter-free cuts simple for beginners and professionals alike. Designed for plywood, MDF, and other large panels, it allows rips, crosscuts, and angled cuts up to 50 inches long with ease. The aluminum track guides the saw in a straight line, while dual anti-slip strips and anti-chip features ensure clean results without clamps. Setup is quick. Just align the track with your cut line. Lightweight and portable, the AccuCut brings precision to any job site, saving time and effort while improving accuracy, safety, and overall cutting performance. WEIBIDA leveling casters. The WEIBIDA. Leveling casters, priced at $59.90, are designed with an upgraded ratchet arm for effortless height adjustment, making them easier and more efficient to use. Featuring 360-degree swivel wheels, they allow smooth movement of heavy equipment, while the leveling feet ensure stability and security. Built with durable carbon steel, aluminum, and nylon, these casters support up to 2,200 pounds and include a retractable anti-skid base for added strength. Ideal for workbenches, kitchen islands, medical machinery, and more, they offer versatility and long-lasting performance. The nylon wheels ensure silent operation, protect floors from damage, and provide a cushioned ride without leaving marks. JawSaw Chainsaw. The Works 20-volt max lithium cordless. JawSaw is designed for convenience, safety, and efficiency, making it perfect for homeowners and DIYers. Featuring the same innovative design as the standard JawSaw, this cordless version adds the freedom of a powerful 20-volt max lithium battery, eliminating the hassle of cords. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for pruning, trimming, and clearing debris anywhere in your yard. The enclosed bar and chain design ensures safer cutting, while the automatic chain tension and lubrication system provides smooth operation with less maintenance. Compact yet powerful, the JawSaw is the smart choice for quick and safe yard cleanup. Three-in-one multi-surface laser level. The Precision 3-in-1 multi-surface laser level is a multifunctional tool that combines a digital level, angle meter, and laser line into one compact device. With simple one-switch operation, it projects 3 bright level lines, making tasks like hanging frames, aligning shelves, and home renovations effortless. Offering 2 measurement modes, absolute and relative, and 4 unit displays, degrees percent, millimeters per meter, inches per foot. It ensures versatile accuracy. With plus or minus 0.1 degree precision, at 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and a strong magnetic base, it delivers reliable results every time. The auto-rotating LCD display, calibration function, and bonus wall mount base make this tool essential for DIYers, woodworkers, and professionals. VIRUTEX Double-Edged Trimmer. The VIRUTEX Double-Edged Trimmer is a lightweight practical tool designed to deliver a professional finish for edge trimming tasks. Priced at $23.35, it simultaneously trims both sides of thin edges up to 40 mm, ensuring clean, precise results. For larger edges, it can function as 2 independent trimmers. This versatile tool not only smooths edges, but also removes glue residue and burrs with ease. Built with long-life cutter blades alloyed with chromium and vanadium, 51 CRV4, it offers exceptional hardness and wear resistance. Weighing just 3.53 ounces, this manual edge trimmer is easy to handle, durable, and efficient. Mini Hacksaw. Small hand saw. The Mini Hacksaw small hand saw, priced at $9.99, is a versatile and compact tool designed for efficiency and precision. Built with a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy frame, it ensures durability and easy handling. Its ergonomic double-injection anti-slip grip provides comfort and control, making it ideal for extended use. The saw includes a dual-action blade lock and accommodates both 10-inch and 12-inch blades for flexibility. Perfect for cutting wood, PVC, plasterboard, metal sheets, and foam. It's excellent for tight or hard-to-reach spaces. With 2.5-inch cutting depth, extra replacement blades, and portable design, it's an essential addition to any craftsman's toolkit. Heavy-duty bolt cutter. The heavy-duty 24-inch bolt cutter, priced at $37.97, is a versatile tool built for tougher cutting tasks. Perfect for slicing through larger bolts, rods, and chains, it delivers reliable performance with its durable, high-quality steel construction. The black anti-rust coating enhances longevity, ensuring consistent cutting efficiency over time. Ergonomically designed handles provide a secure grip and reduce hand fatigue, making it easier to work for extended periods. With its 24-inch size, this cutter strikes the right balance between power and maneuverability. It offers a cutting capacity of up to 5/16 of an inch for HRC, less than or equal to 42 materials, and 3/8 of an inch for HRC, less than 25 metals. Carpenter Square. The Sunlift Prod 3.5-inch pocket. Carpenter Square, priced at $25.88, is a compact, versatile tool designed for precision woodworking. Engineered for portability, it combines multiple professional functions in one pocket-sized design. With degree markings from 0 to 90 degrees, plus a flip-stop accessory, it enables accurate angle drawing and repeated marking. The precision-machined 1/8-inch increment holes allow flawless scribing with carpenter or mechanical pencils. Its setup block feature, milled for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch, simplifies saw blade, router, and drill press adjustments. Perfect for mortise and tenon layouts, this mini square ensures reliable accuracy for both DIY enthusiasts and professional carpenters alike. Compact Router Tool. The Compact Router Tool, priced at $69.99, is a versatile solution for woodworking and trimming projects. Powered by a 6.5 amp motor with 1.25 horsepower, it offers variable speeds from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, making it ideal for different materials. Its rack and pinion depth adjustment ensures precise operation, while dual LED lights illuminate darker work areas. The ergonomic rubber handle provides comfort during long use, and the quick locking system allows fast depth and base changes. Built with a durable aluminum body, it also features a dust hood for a cleaner job site. The package includes router bits, guides, collets, wrench, and a 12.1 foot cord. Multi-angle drill guide. The upgraded multi-angle drill guide, priced at $103.99, is a durable, all-metal tool designed for precision and versatility. With a drill chuck clamping range of 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch, 1.5 to 13 millimeters, it works seamlessly with standard impact drivers and straight shank drill bits. Its adjustable angle feature allows infinite settings from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, with fixed stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. The dual spring design ensures balance and control, while the depth stop ring guarantees repeatable drilling accuracy. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it resists rust and provides long-lasting performance. Self-centering pins and V-notches make drilling round stock accurate and easy. Preciva T-Bevel Gauge. The Preciva T-Bevel Gauge, priced at $18.89, is a high-accuracy digital measuring tool designed for precision woodworking and DIY tasks. With an angle range of 0 to 338 degrees and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. It delivers reliable results down to the decimal point. Featuring 3 large control buttons, it allows for quick reading lock, 180-degree reverse display, 0 reset, and power control. The digital sliding bevel locks securely with its center knob and easily copies angles, including preset 45 degrees. A clear LCD display and dual bubble levels ensure accurate alignment. For convenience, the gauge includes auto power off after 5 to 6 minutes of inactivity,